Hi everyone. So today I got a box from Made in LA, which means it's Colourpop with their new We Were Meant to Be collection. I just received it today, a few hours ago actually. Review to help you guys because actually tomorrow it launches, which is January the 9th, I think, 2020. So let me just get to it and show you what's in here. In the back it says this, which is the information for the palettes. The Meant to Be palette, the Matcha Love bundle, the Super Shock shadows, and the Glittery Obsessed glitter gels. And let's check them out. First of all, let's talk about how cute is this color. And if you remember me from my old videos, which I have put private now, you remember that my room used to be teal, and this is like another color that I want in my room, but I didn't go with it. But it's such a beautiful color, something different. I really love this color. And of course, you know that I love Colourpop. Colourpop is one of my favorite brands. So let me just open this little box and see what's inside. So this one comes with the 4th Ray Beauty Matcha Face Milk and the Colourpop Lippy Scrub in Matcha Love. If you have never used a face milk from 4th Ray Beauty, let me tell you that you're missing out, because I have like 15 or 20 of them, different kinds. I've been giving some away, my doubles, or to family and especially my sisters, because they're such great products. I use them as skincare, and I also use them before my makeup, any foundation. And most of the time, I really love using them at nighttime. The lip scrubs, I've used them so many times in different, like I have different flavors. I'm not sure if this one's gonna taste like matcha or have the scent like it, but the other ones I have, they do have a scent and they taste so good. And that's the lip scrub. Let me open them to show you the consistency of each one so you could see it. The consistency of this is very sugary. I really like it. It's very like finely milled or grinded. I'm not even sure what's the correct word. But it's not chunky at all and exfoliates wonderfully, because I've used Colourpop lippy scrubs before. So let me show you in my hand. Can't catch it. I cannot catch the smell. I think it doesn't even smell like anything. I could be wrong, but the other ones smell very like if it's peach or strawberry, it smells like it. It doesn't taste like anything. I put it in my lips right now. It doesn't taste like anything. Honestly, I think this one has like no flavor. This is the Matcha Love Lippy Scrub. So this is the back. One is called Nymph for You, and then I think the next one is called Flux. I'm not even sure if that's how you say it, but let me show you Flux first. So I just want to point out how beautiful this mint packaging is. This packaging matches actually the eyeshadow inside, so let me open it. It's so beautiful. So this is without flash and just ring light. So you could see that it's a very mint color. Let me turn on the light from my phone. And this is with the flash on. It's a very true mint. So let me just show you a swatch of it. I think it's so beautiful and I really love the packaging. So this is a swatch of it. It's so nice. Let me see if I could get closer. So this is it. It's very matte, but like very silky looking. I don't know how to explain this, but I think it's a very beautiful color. I'll definitely be doing a look for this. I'm thinking of like spring colors now. This is meant for you. Oh my god, look how stunning this color is. Let me try to focus it. This is meant for you. This color is amazing. Look at how beautiful this is. You get closer so you can see all the different colors in there. It's so beautiful. Let me get a little more back. This shade on its own, it's so nice. I could just think about like just putting something cute on the crease, like a warm, and make this the whole color as lid and make it pop. Like if you go out a date night out. Let me show you a swatch. I think it's gonna be so amazing. So this is after I touched it, only half of it. It also felt like very like creamy, very like putty, feeling cold. It's very nice formula actually. And this is the color. Look how nice these two pair up. Actually, you could put the other one on the crease and this one for a cool look. And you don't have to put any warm colors, or you could just do a warmth and put this one on the lid. This is so nice. And this is how it looks in low lighting. Such a beautiful color. So these are the Glitterly Obsessed that I'll be showing you right now. I'm actually going to swatch only one because they're mostly alike. And the other one I'm gonna give it away for one of my subscribers here. And all you have to do is comment below if you want to try any of these products or anything you want to tell me, and leave your Instagram handle below in a comment. So if I pick you, I could just DM you and you could send me your information. So let's get to it. So these are the Glitterly Obsessed. They're so beautiful. Look at those glitters. I'll do the low lighting again so you could see them better and see how nice they sparkle. So for this video, I'll be giving away a Glitterly Obsessed and maybe something else from another collection. So comment below. Let me show you how this looks. This kind of reminds me of the people that like to go to raves. This is so nice for people that like to go to raves or like music festivals that are coming out, even to concerts or any like summer event. Also, a lot of people put them on their hair, a lot of people put them on their body. It's whatever you want. On the side of your face. They're called body glitters, but honestly you could use them for whatever you guys like. The next product from this collection is called Meant to Be Pressed Powder Palette, which is the eyeshadow palette. So let's open it up and see how it is. This is the back side of the palette. It tells you the names and the information. This is such cute packaging. I really like these. I really like the names that they chose for this palette. It's kind of cute. You can read them right there. So it's like a plastic just palette, and it says Meant to Be, and it's mint. So these are the 9 color swatches of each eyeshadow that comes in this palette. I was also thinking that some of these shades are very unique. I don't think I've have anything alike. So I really like that from this palette, because palettes could get very repetitive in eyeshadows, and I think this one has colors I've never had and I want to try to use them. Very nice palette. I really like the colors. Something different from the same things that we are used to. So this is like a side-by-side comparison. So this is the end of my video. I really hope you liked me reviewing this collection. I really hope that it helps you decide if there's anything that you like and wanted to try. This whole collection is very minty and I really love it. I'm here for it. I can't wait to post a video of it, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos. It means a lot to have your support, and I'll keep doing reviews of different Colourpop collections I get sent. This one was sent to me today, so hopefully I have it up by tomorrow morning when it launches. And if there's any other things that you want me to review, I have previous collections. So just go to my Instagram, LeslieContrerasYT, and if you like anything you want me to post here, I'll do it. So just comment, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment and your username from Instagram, and I'll be DMing you if you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.